I met a cab driver in Chicago who has a Toyota Corolla with 750,000 miles on it. The engine has never been opened. My name is Mike, and when I asked him his secret, he pulled out his wallet and showed me every single maintenance receipt since 2005. He told me he learned from retired Japanese engineers who worked at Toyota's plant in Kentucky. They shared 17 secrets that nobody talks about. Number one is so simple you'll laugh, but it's what separates cars that die at 120,000 miles from those that hit 750,000. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell because I'm about to show you exactly how much money you're throwing away. The cab driver took me to his shop in Queens. He popped the hood. The engine gleamed like new. The first secret breaks everything you learned. Change your oil at half the manual's interval. If it says 7,000 miles, change it at 3,500. An oil change costs $60. A new engine costs $15,000. The manual was written for perfect conditions that don't exist. Your car faces New York traffic, heat, cold, potholes. Every mile with dirty oil grinds the engine from the inside. Cab drivers who rack up 100,000 miles a year all follow this rule. The second secret sounds crazy. Never let your car idle to warm up. Extended idling dilutes oil with gasoline and wastes fuel at $4 a gallon. The right method is to start it, wait 30 seconds, and drive gently. Keep RPMs below 3,000 for the first 3 miles. The engine warms up 3 times faster while moving. A Honda mechanic confirmed that engines with the least wear belong to people who never let their cars sit idling. The third secret is chemical cleaning. Use fuel injector cleaner every 2,000 miles. A cab with 500,000 miles has injectors that look brand new inside. The owner spends $25 every 3 months, saves $600 on professional cleaning. Add the cleaner when the tank is almost empty, fill up with premium gas, and drive on the highway. Hit that like button if you're learning something here. Fourth secret, check your oil level every 2 weeks. If it's dropped even a quarter inch, top it off immediately. An engine can lose half a quart every 1,000 miles without showing smoke. Keeping the level perfect reduces wear by 40%. Fifth secret that shops hide from you. Always change the filter with the oil. A used filter holds 7 ounces of contaminated oil that dirties the fresh oil. It's like putting on dirty clothes after a shower. Japanese mechanics fill the new filter with oil before installing it. This prevents the engine from running dry for the first 3 seconds, which causes wear equivalent to 1,000 miles. Sixth, add cleaner every 2,000 miles. Look for one with polyethylamine in the formula. A clogged injector causes detonation that destroys pistons. Honda proved this extends injector life from 50,000 to 200,000 miles. Comment which of these you already follow. Seventh secret you're doing wrong. Never rev the engine right after starting. The first 10 seconds are critical. Oil hasn't reached the upper components yet. Revving causes microscopic scratches. This is the difference between 120,000 or 750,000. Japanese cab drivers start the engine, wait for the idle to stabilize, drive gently the first few miles, and don't turn on the AC for the first few seconds. This reduces wear by 70%. Eighth, monitor temperature every month. Don't wait for the gauge to hit the red. If you notice it takes longer to warm up or gets too hot, it's a bad thermostat or clogged radiator. A thermostat costs $20. Replacing it on time prevents overheating that destroys the engine. Ninth secret is electrical. Put dielectric grease on battery terminals every 3 months. White powder creates resistance that overworks the alternator and starter. Grease costs $5. Alternators last 200,000 miles with protection versus 100,000 without. 10th, wash the engine every 3 months. Dirt corrodes connections. Baked-on oil prevents heat dissipation. A clean engine runs 10 degrees cooler. Leaks show up immediately. 11th is about tires. Check pressure weekly to the exact PSI. Every PSI below the correct pressure generates heat and vibrations that reach the engine. Perfect pressure reduces wear by 15%. 12th is about fuel. Never run below a quarter tank. The fuel pump cools itself with gasoline. When you're running on fumes, it overheats and sucks up sediment that clogs injectors. Japanese pumps last 200,000 miles. In America, they die at 100,000 because of this. 13th, use exactly the oil the manual specifies. If it says 5W30, don't use 10W40. Thick oil doesn't reach the valve train fast enough during cold starts. 70% of engines that die early use the wrong viscosity. 14th, replace spark plugs at 80% of their life. Don't wait for 100%. Worn plugs poison the catalytic converter, overwork the coils, and damage sensors. Costs $60 every 2 years. Prevents 1,000 in repairs. Subscribe now if you want more secrets.
15th, accelerate like there's a raw egg between your foot and the pedal. Hard launches fatigue pistons and connecting rods. Aggressive driving cuts engine life by 60%. A cab driver with 500,000 miles never goes above 3,000 RPM. He anticipates traffic lights. Hard braking creates shock waves that affect the transmission and motor mounts. 16th is about gas. Never cheap out on fuel. Use Chevron, Shell, or Mobil. Saving 15 cents per gallon to destroy a $15,000 engine is stupid. Bad gas doesn't have detergents. Every tank leaves carbon deposits. Good gas extends engine life by 200,000 miles. Saving $60 a year costs you $1,000 in injectors later. 17th is worth gold. Respect maintenance intervals. I saw a Toyota mechanic refuse a car because the oil change was 3 days overdue. Not 3,000 miles, 3 days. Each interval was calculated scientifically. Delaying starts a destructive chain reaction. Oil loses viscosity. The filter clogs. The Japanese Taxi Association proved it. Cars that never missed service hit 600,000 miles. Cars that delayed service by 15% died at 250,000. The difference isn't the car, it's the owner's discipline. If you apply these 17 secrets, the difference will be massive. You don't need an expensive import. You need Japanese discipline. Your Corolla, Civic, even a Ford Focus can hit 300,000 miles like new. The choice is yours. Spend $150 a month on preventative maintenance or $15,000 on a new engine. The Japanese already did the math. Now it's your turn. Be another person who trades in at $120,000 or be the one who passes it to the next generation, running perfectly. The secret was never the car. It was always the driver. Comment which one you'll apply today. Subscribe, hit the bell, and watch the next video where I'll show you the 10 mistakes that kill engines that Americans make without realizing it.